Do you know many people are having trouble with understanding the difference between transform path and transform in Adobe Premiere Pro? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Select Clip. Select a clip in the timeline to begin working with Transform. Step 2. Open Motion. Access the motion effect under the Effect Controls panel to manage basic transformations. Step 3. Use Handles. Use the transform handles in the program monitor to adjust position, scale, and rotation. Step 4. Create Path. Switch to the Pen tool to create a path by setting initial points. Step 5. Adjust Path. Adjust the length and direction of the path by dragging the Bezier handles. Step 6. Edit Points. Modify path shape further by adding or moving vertex points along the path. Following these steps, you should be able to effectively use both Transform Path and Transform in your video projects. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Adobe users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.